Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to download NordVPN. So basically, if you want to download NordVPN, you have to simply go to the official website, or you can simply use the link in this video description and you're going to get a huge discount if you do that. So you're going to get redirected to the official page even if you click on that link. And then what you have to do is simply click on Get NordVPN. And after that, you'll have to simply choose any of these available plans. And if you use the link in my video description, you're gonna get a huge discount on any paid plan. So I really recommend to do that. And what you have to do next is simply click on Download VPN. And after that, you have to simply click on Download app. And basically, that's all you have to do. So as you can see, you can get NordVPN app for all your devices. So you can see you have Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Android TV, and other. So as you can see, you can check all of them right here. So all these platforms have NordVPN available. And as I said, if you use the link in this video description, you're gonna get a huge discount. And basically, you can use the same account on all these devices. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.